In today's video, we show you how to automatically hide menu bar on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! One of the more under the radar feature of macOS is the ability to automatically hide the top menu bar, just like Dock, which has long had the ability to auto hide the menu bar can be hidden until needed. So how to do it? It's very simple. As you can see in here, you can still see my menu bar on the top of my MacBook screen, and now I want to hide it. So you can open your system preferences on your MacBook. You can go to Dock and Menu Bar. From Dock and Menu Bar, you can just scroll down. You'll find on the Menu Bar section, there is an option Automatically Hide and Show the Menu Bar on Desktop. This one, you can checklist and you can see the menu bar. When I checklist on it, the menu bar is automatically hide, right? And if you want to open the menu bar, you can just move your pointer at the top of your screen like this. So the menu bar will be appear. It's very simple, right? And also you can also automatically hide your dog by checklist and here. So now you have hide your dog and also your menu bar on your MacBooks. You have full screen on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to automatically hide menu bar on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!